Hey, shalom, shalom is falling ashore. Welcome again to The Rock. Quick video. Sorry for the lighting. It kind of is what it is. The Department of Defense just issued out what the vaccination cards for the zombie plague are going to look like. Dr. Kelly Moore of the, I think it was Immunization something coalition, said that this is the most effective way to keep track of the vaccinations. Isn't that interesting? It was also said, you can just very conveniently and comfortably keep it in your wallet. The article's on CNN. My question is, why do they want you to keep your vaccination record in your wallet? Like a driver's license? Could it be because they will be regularly asking for it? I'm not somebody that gets in a lot of that conspiracy theory stuff. But it ain't adding up. Or maybe it is adding up. Things are going the way that we don't want. Things are going the way that people don't want. You're going to be forced to make tough decisions. Also, with that article, they're saying that in some areas, you're going to be able to give your phone number, and they will send you text messages to let you know when your next set of vaccinations are going to be due. How convenient, huh? How convenient. Also, at the same time, I believe it was the WHO said that they may be sending out, e-certificates for the vaccination so you can travel abroad. Do you see where this all is going? Again, I am not that conspiracy theory, person who runs around just believing everything when everybody was running around saying, it's 5G! They did it to put up 5G towers! I was like, no, they didn't. For those of you who were part of the channel back then, you remember, I said, no, it's not about no 5G towers. People don't care enough about 5G that they have to hide it. Most of society will consider it a wonderful thing that they get faster speeds. I'm not worried about that. Very few people were actually concerned about the towers, the 5G towers. It's a bigger agenda. I've been saying it for a while. Now, you can get vaccinated and have a card and keep it with you. It's just a matter of time. Following ashore, you saying this is the mark of the beast? I am not saying this is the mark of the beast. I am not saying it's not, but I'm not saying it is. What I'm saying is this. A lot of people are going to be put in a position they have to compromise. What happens if it gets to a point where you can't work your job, like I said before? They want you to keep it in your wallet. Dr. Kelly Moore was saying that they could just put it in your wallet. Put it in your wallet, right next to your driver's license. Show me your papers. Tough decisions are going to have to be made. The question is, are you putting yourself in a position to make the wisest of decisions? They want your phone number so they can conveniently let you know when your next series of shots are due. It's only, just as another side note, I know this is kind of a rant, but, for a lot of people, and I've said this in my live streams, how a lot of people are, dependent on the system in one way or another, like a food stamps, cash aid, social services, things like that. And I know that, we talked about this in one of the live streams, that for, a lot of areas, states, or counties, if you want to, let's say you have children and you're receiving money for them, you have to keep up on their vaccinations, because if you don't keep up on their vaccinations, your child can't go to school. And if they don't go to school, you won't be able to receive your social services. How soon is it before this vaccination ends up as one of those vaccinations that you need to get? Otherwise, you won't receive the money the government gives you. You gotta be prudent. You gotta take action. You gotta be wise. Because I'm saying it does not look good. It does not look good. Well, just pass that information on. I'll post a link to the article in the description. Man, They pushed this thing through so fast. And in the start of 2020 to now, such a change, huh? Such a change. Bless y'all. Shalom.